Have you ever dragged a suitcase so heavy you questioned all your life choices? Laugh. Trust me, I've been there too. Today, we're taking on the ultimate packing challenge. 10 days of travel in just one carry-on. Is it even possible? Stick around because by the end of this video you'll never pack the same way again. Quick question. On your last trip, did you really use every single thing you packed? Drop a quick yes or no in the comments right now. Hey travel pros, it's Robert here. Today I'm challenging you and myself to a game-changing test. Can we truly survive 10 days of adventure with just a single carry-on? I'm saying we can, and I'll show you exactly how to make it happen together. Imagine the freedom. No more waiting at baggage claim, no lost luggage mishaps. Just you, your essentials, and the open road, or sky. Believe me, I used to be the guy paying outrageous overweight fees and wrestling with giant suitcases on cobblestone streets. That one unforgettable trip changed everything for me. And I'll share that story in just a bit. For now, say goodbye to those checked bag fees and the baggage claim chaos. Don't just take my word. Susan, one of our amazing viewers, ditched checked bags after 30 years and said it was life-changing. More on these inspiring stories coming up. Let's face it, in 2024, travelers worldwide spent over $3 billion on checked baggage fees. Plus, millions of bags get lost or mishandled every year. And the average wait at baggage claim can be 20 to 40 minutes. Think of all that wasted time and money. Here's my confession. I used to be a chronic overpacker. I once traveled with 3 giant suitcases, always dreading the extra fees and the chaotic baggage claim. But then during a whirlwind European adventure through Italy, Spain and France, with just a carry-on, I felt lighter, freer, and truly in control of my trip. I felt trapped by my luggage no longer, and that experience completely transformed the way I travel. I promise today, you're about to experience that same freedom. Alright, let's break down the packing disasters we've all experienced. Who here has packed 8 pairs of shoes for a weekend trip? Laugh. Look at this bulky sweater. Great for fashion week, terrible for packing. And that just in case mentality? We've all done it. Maybe I'll need this fancy dress, these hiking boots, or that extra jacket. Let's be honest, we waste so much precious space by tossing things in haphazardly. But fear not, there's a much smarter way. I'm about to reveal the revolutionary packing method that not only saves you money on those pesky fees, but makes your entire travel experience smoother and way more fun. In just a minute, you'll see the secret packing hack that flight attendants swear by. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's dive into packing like a pro with the 3-2-1 Capsule Wardrobe system. For a 10-day trip, you'll need 3 versatile tops, think a t-shirt, a chic blouse, and a cozy sweater, 2 bottoms, maybe your favorite jeans and a pair of dressy pants, and 1 essential piece of outerwear. It sounds almost too simple, but trust me, this is the secret sauce for a stylish and functional trip. Okay, next up, the military roll. Watch closely as I roll a t-shirt, a pair of pants, and even a sweater. Now compare that to a traditional fold. Notice how much extra bulk the latter creates. The military roll not only saves space but minimizes wrinkles. A game changer when you're working with limited room. If you're not using packing cubes yet, you're missing out big time. These zippered organizers are my secret weapon. I use different sizes to sort tops, bottoms, and even underwear and socks. They keep everything organized and even work like mini compression bags. Look at how neatly everything fits. For those thicker items like sweaters or a light-down jacket, compression bags are the answer. Just zip up, squeeze out the excess air, and watch bulky items shrink before your eyes. Just a tip: be extra gentle with delicate fabrics. Now for the real magic layering. With our 3-2-1 system, you can create at least 15 different outfits. Imagine pairing a top with pants, then swapping to a skirt, or adding a versatile scarf for an instant style boost. Who here has ever packed a hairdryer to a rainforest trip? Just me? Laugh. With smart layering, you'll never run out of outfit ideas. Finally, let's talk travel accessories. Ditch those full-sized bottles for travel-sized toiletries, use solid shampoo bars, grab a microfiber towel that dries fast, and always pack a foldable shopping bag. These little swaps maximize your space and make your carry-on even more efficient. Let's break it down. Checked bag fees can run $30 to $60 each way on domestic flights, and even more on international trips. Over a year, that adds up fast. With carry-on only, you save not just money but also eliminate those annoying baggage claim delays. It's not just about saving money, it's about saving time. When you travel carry-on only, you can skip those long check-in lines and be out of the airport in minutes. More time for adventure means a better travel experience. Don't just take my word for it. Our Epic Travel 360 community is full of travel pros who've embraced the carry-on lifestyle. Susan, for instance, ditched checked bags after 30 years, and Maria, a solo traveler, feels more in control with just one bag. Their stories prove that travel can be simpler and more enjoyable. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's see if we can actually pack all these clothes, representing a full 10-day wardrobe, into this carry-on in under 5 minutes. Ready, set, pack, and done. Now, let's unpack and see that smart organization in action. Beyond saving money and time, traveling light has a positive impact on the environment. Lighter planes use less fuel, resulting in a smaller carbon footprint. Embrace carry-on-only travel, and you're not just making your journey easier, you're also helping our planet. So, are you ready to ditch the baggage claim drama and embrace travel freedom? Remember, 3 versatile tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 key outerwear piece. To make it even easier, I've created a downloadable checklist to plan your perfect 10-day carry-on wardrobe. Check the link in the description. I've also teamed up with my favorite brand of packing cubes to offer you an exclusive 20% discount. Just use code CARRYON20 at checkout. These packing cubes will become your best travel buddies. Now I know you all have your own killer packing hacks. Head to the comments below and share your best tips for packing light. I'll be featuring the most creative ideas in our upcoming Travel Pro Challenge segment, so let's learn from each other. For more in-depth guides, destination-specific packing tips, and product recommendations, visit epictravel360.com. We've got all the resources you need to master the art of traveling light. Remember that anxiety at baggage claim? You never have to feel that again. It's time to pack smarter, travel lighter, and enjoy your trips without the extra stress. Join the carry-on revolution today, and let's make your next journey the best one yet. Thanks for joining me on this packing adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Epic Travel 360 for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels, everyone.